Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and today I'm going to be showing you how to build your trading chart. Okay, so for most first timers, when you log into your trading account, you should see a loaded template filled with your MACD and stochastic and your RSI. So for most beginners, this can be really confusing. So today I'm going to show you real easy steps on how to build your own chart from scratch. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on whichever currency pair you want to trade on the left hand side. So today I'll be looking at cable, which is my GBP USD. You're going to right click on your mouse and you're going to click on chart window. So this should give you a fresh chart which you can start from scratch and you can start building from there. So the first thing I'm going to do for myself is I'm going to zoom it in so I can see my prices much better. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a candlestick chart rather than a bar chart, because for me, candlesticks give me more information in which I can analyze. Now you can see the candlesticks showing on my trading chart, and we can definitely get started with customizing it ourselves. So the first thing I'm going to do on my chart is I'm going to right click and then I'm going to go all the way down to properties, there in which I can choose my color scheme. So for most traders that don't know how to change their trading colors, they usually don't know which colors to go for. So today I just want to show you basic colors that I use that I think are very helpful. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my background to white, because white is so much more clearer and I can definitely see all my candlesticks more clearly. And then I'm going to change my foreground to black. All right, so now you can see all my numbers in bold and they're all sticking out and we can see all our price actions correctly. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my bar up color. I'm going to leave it on lime so that I know that whenever the market is going up, it can stay on green. And when the market is going down, it's going to go on red. So I'm going to change bar down and I'm going to change it to red. And then I'm going to change my bullish candle and I'm going to change it to green as well. And then I'm going to change my bearish candle and I'm going to change it to red as well. Now we can see a visible trading color scheme on my chart and I can definitely get started with my trading. And voila. So this is how you build your trading chart from scratch. And now I can begin with entering my indicators and all my expert advisors. Thank you so much for watching my trading account video. For more information, do carry on watching our how-to videos.